as I'm trying to figure out this massive wiring harness, I've tried to remove the cable that goes to the indicators, but there's no way to take it out of here. So I think I'll have to take it out from the main harness. And I do need to make sure that I label everything correctly. So I've labeled this as the headlamp. That should be fairly obvious, but everything else probably isn't. And when I come back to it a month later, I'm gonna forget where everything goes. So I'm just gonna disconnect everything and make sure I label them correctly. So one indicator's off. On to the next. So someone's played around with this harness before me, because this is the right hand side indicator and this is crimped on, so I can't really unplug anything. So I'm just gonna have to cut the wire and then maybe put a new wire later on.